Welcome to day 25. Within 5 days, you would be finishing this powerful 30 days money manifestation challenge, and you can repeat it also. I would love you to do it because the more you repeat, the brain works on repetition, and you really need to build this muscle, the money muscle, the skill. And school did not taught you money, so this is the best time and the best way to be with a mentor so that you are measured, so that you are monitored. This is Pearson law. Yes, because taking actions is not easy, and friends, we are designed for procrastination. Yes, this is our brain design. So taking action, we need a mentor, a coach, or a buddy, or an accountability partner, or a group, or a team. We individually, it is very difficult. So this is the trick, to trick your brain for your own self to take action. So today I'm really congratulating you for achieving this milestone, and from here you are going to complete a very beautiful journey within 5 days in money manifestation challenge. And I really, many of you would love to take the journey forward to mastering money blocks, which is a very powerful program to identify your blocks, to release your blocks, and to make a money blueprint. So I'll be talking about it in detail if you will DM MMB. So today I want you to just look back and see, do you have any passive income stream, like you not doing anything but still your wealth is generating, it's growing. The money which you have earned is grown and it is growing. Do you have some system or the process around it? And 4 years doing it organically and having that experience of client serving and running the system, now we are going to do it very in a full-fledged business. Yes. Then the second income stream, because this premises, one was rental and one was my owned. So I converted it into 11 rooms for university students and having it as rental income. And I am the fourth one, which is I am doing it very on and off to be very expressive and to be very authentic and honest. With professional help is mutual fund and share market. But I invite, this is needing more time, and this is really a very good framework for invest. So these are the 4 income streams and still exploring more. I would be giving you a general idea from where you can pick your passive income stream right now. It can be like yoga, then it can dance classes, whatever suits you, you feel happy about doing it. E-courses, digital courses like the mutual funds, as I talked, the rental income, and selling somebody affiliate program, selling somebody else's program, and social media, people are earning from it. But all this requires consistent effort building it. Photography, podcast, cryptocurrency, e-stores, content writing, investing in someone else's business idea, starting a blog, then building an app and selling membership, and renting a car, your car, advertising others, and renting your tools, and get paid for an app on your phone, buying and selling properties, and sell your videos, help businesses. So many things. And you can do your research. You can also sell your unwanted stuff. This is also one thing, easily. This can be there. Use passive income app. Learn more. Start creating your job board. Sell handmade goods. This is one of the selling plans. This is very close to my heart. And you can list it. So you can list 100. From 100, you can come to 10 ideas, then 3 ideas, then pick one. See, one idea, the working which is required, because business is your brain child, your babe. So 1,000 days is minimum working which is required. So invest on it. Start building a funnel around it. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Down the line, you will see the seed which you have sown and the consistent effort which you have done will automatically give you results. And the thought process needs to start right now, and with your active participation, active effort. It is actually the previous effort which will start giving you results. So start action in this direction today. This is my invitation for you. So you can share your ideas of passive income, anything which is coming in your blind mind, your brilliant brain, and let's work on this, because this is what is going to make you wealthy. Believe me, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can also do it. You can also share in the comment like MMC, so that you get a chance to interact with me, to know more, to converse more, so that you get a more structured, a professional idea of how to start from point A and to point C, and what are going to be your main resistance and hurdles during the course. So friends, those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Nahid Khan. I'm a neuroeducationist and a hypnotherapist. I have a very beautiful program which is a 30 days just entry level, a no-brainer energy exchange, 30 days money manifestation challenge. From here, you start building a nervous system ready to receive, because this is required. The old Nahid will have old result. You need to change your identity by doing this inner work with my inner exercise, inner size. What is it? Daily money hurdle. You work Monday to Thursday, 30 minutes with me, with guided practices of 30 legendary mentors of the world, and you build your nervous system around. If this sounds interesting to you, do DM me, reach out to me. Hoping to see you in my room. You keep prospering.